can see all the river junk caught in the fencing and all the stones. That's a swimming hole where we walked on the rocks. The signs are washed down. And there's more stuff washed up here from the water. This is at the corner of 7A Ranch. The water was up over these trees. You can see all the junk in the trees. There's another sign down. The water was across the road and partway up the hill. There might be a lot of good driftwood to pick up when it dries out. There's another sign washed down. And you can see everybody in Wimberley is out and about. There's a man clearing some brush off the road. It's a DOT truck up there taking branches out of the road. Here's some branches right here, way higher than the truck. It's all underwater. And you can see all the junk up in these trees. And the trees are leaning in the direction of the flow. The water's right up to the road. God bless this man and his chainsaw. The mud all over the road is slippery. These people have debris all up in their yard. And typical small town, there's somebody just going for a walk. More signs down. More debris across the street there, up the hill. Way up the hill. Get an idea how high the water was, because here's where they had the barriers and we're just about up to, there's the White House restaurant. And a lot of people in Wimberley are having breakfast.